Class 7 Maths, Exercise 3.3, question number 5. Consider this data collected from a survey of a colony. Some data is given which is collected from survey of a colony from people of the colony. So this data shows favorite sports. That means there are different sports given. Cricket, basketball, swimming, hockey and athletics. So out of these sports, number of people watching whereas participating is given. Now what we should do, we should draw this data in double bar graph, choosing an appropriate scale. And we should see what do we infer from the bar graph. And we also should find which sport is most popular and which is most preferred, watching or participating in sports. Now the first thing we should do is we should draw double bar graph. So after drawing double bar graph, it looks like this. So we have taken 1 unit is equal to 250 people. You can take 1 unit as 100 people also if you want. So this is cricket, basketball, swimming, hockey and athletics. Whereas yellow represents people watching and red represents people participating. Since this is double bar graph, we have 2 bars each we use for comparison. Okay. So in cricket, number of people watching is 1240. That is this value. And number of people participating is 620. That is this value. Whereas in basketball, number of people watching is 470, which is slightly less than 500. Okay. And number of people participating is 320, which is more than 250. Now in swimming, number of people watching is 510. That is more than 500. And number of people participating is 320. That is slightly more than 250. Okay. And hockey, number of people watching is 430, whereas number of people participating is 250. Similarly, in athletics, 250 are watching and 105 are participating. Like this, we draw double bar graph using the given data. And if you see question number 1, what do you infer from the bar graph? From the bar graph, if you observe carefully, we have long bars for cricket whereas short bars for athletics. That means more people in the colony prefer cricket whereas very less people in the colony prefer athletics. This is what we infer from the bar graph. Now we'll see question number 2. Question number 2 is, which sport is the most popular? See, the most popular would be the sport which is watched or participated by most number of people. Obviously, from the bar graph or from the given data, cricket has the highest number of people who are watching as well as highest number who are participating. So the most popular sport is what? Cricket. Now let us see question number 3. Question number 3 is, which is more preferred, watching or participating in sports? See, if you see in all sports, cricket, basketball, swimming, hockey and athletics, the number of people who are watching is more than participating. So here this is 470 which is more than 320, 510 which is more than 320, 430 more than 250 and 250 more than 105. So in all cases, watching is more than participating. So for the question which is more preferred, watching or participating is what? Watching. So many people are preferring to watch. So answer is watching for the question number 3. So if you see in bar graph also, yellow which represents watching are the taller graphs compared to the participating. So here this is taller, here this is taller, this is taller, this is taller and this is taller. So from this also we can say that watching is preferred over participating.